An emergency. Junior is at a pool with his father Eddie. He runs to the lifeguard.
Help! Lifeguard! My father needs help.
Is he drowning?
No, it's my father's swimsuit.
I don't understand.
His new swimsuit is too small. It looks really bad, but he won't listen to me.
Sorry, but lifeguards help with emergencies.
This is an emergency. Look!
The lifeguard looks at Eddie.
No. You're right. That swimsuit is too small.
The lifeguard shouts at Eddie.
Excuse me, sir. I'm coming to help you.
The lifeguard runs to Eddie with a big red towel.
What is it?
Sir, please wear this towel. It's an emergency.
Small. Red. Help. Runs. Father.